Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Fix It. Today we have got MacBook Air. It's work on the charger but it doesn't work on the battery. So as you can see we are getting green light. Let's turn on the device. So we are waiting to boot the device. As you can see it's been connected to the DC pairs actually, and it was taking almost 2 ampere. And it shows the charging sign and it's increased the battery percentage as well actually, but if you remove the charger it's gonna shut down the machine immediately. So after connecting the battery, now we are going to test where is the issue. So as we can see actually on the pp_bus_g3h we are getting 8.2, and then after that we are going to test pp342_g3h. That is not normal, basically it's 1.8 instead of 342 basically. So as you can see actually I just removed the battery. There are some register actually which is not looking good, so let me take it to you in schematics and show you what it does. Basically having quite good experience fixing this logic board actually. Let's check U7100. That is charging IC. So this is the IC which generates pp_bus_g3h, and even it's charged the battery as well actually. So as we know actually the battery is charging and pp bus is working fine on the charger, so there is no issue with the charging circuit and there is no issue with the pp_bus_g3h. So let's check the battery power rail, that is called pp_bus_g3h. There is a two different rail, one is for the charger and the another one is for the battery. So we have to diagnose the rail of the battery which is called pp_bus_g3h. So all these you can see the charging sensing registers and all. So just let's bypass all these and let's move to the topic, and let's check the pp_bus_g3h circuit actually. So this is all okay, because we know actually there is an issue actually. We wasn't getting 3.42 volts basically. So as you can see in the schematics actually R7006 it should be 4.7, but instead of 4.7 it was almost 55 ohms. So this is not normal, and the diode as well actually, that doesn't look normal actually. So this was the problem actually. So now we are going to replace R7006 and the diode as well actually. So as you can see in the multimeter, sometimes it shows 50, sometimes it shows 80, sometimes it shows 100 as well actually. So it's fluctuating. We are going to set the temperature around 450 degree and remove the component, remove the register, and when it doesn't comes out you can increase the temperature a little bit, so it's okay. So now we are going to reinstall. After reinstalling, as you can see it's showing quite normal actually. Everything looks fine. So we are going to connect the battery. After connecting the battery, as you can see we are getting 3v42_g3h. The circuit has been fixed. Now let's assemble the PCB. So I did assemble the halfway. Actually, I am not installing everything, so I'll be just showing you. That's it. So the charging port is disconnected already. So I have turned on the machine. You can see the fan was spinning and Apple logo. So this machine has been fixed perfectly. This is how we work at Easy Fix It Academy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more exciting videos. Catch you up in the next video. Until then, stay learning. Thank you so much.